to be softer when you tease out. And you need to be good in 伏手, 綁手. That's the most soft hand. Your 綁手is not good, your hands never be soft. Your 伏手is not good, you never be soft. So let's do 綁手. High punch. I want you to just touch. Instead, like that. So every time you punch, your position just right, the contact. Then your hand start to be soft. So that reach. Yeah, instead, every time you push out, pull my hand. You see? That's your opponent use your energy. Punch. Pull my hand. Soft. Yeah, it's there. Once you feel a change, but once any tension, your opponent, the senior will always use it. The worst is you try to against it, punch. That, yeah. See, soft. And then when you finish that grab, there's a time you be strong. Yeah. Wait for the energy. Okay, now just like that, punch, contact, pull, and relax, and then come back. Okay, yeah, partner, work together. Few hands you need. 綁手 talk about. If you're coming forward to my 綁手, so you see, you need to feel, come forward, push forward. You need to turn to the tanza instead of against it, push forward. Step back, 綁手 turn to the tanza. Okay, try. Now, sometimes, a lot of time, I do like that. Push forward. Push my 綁手 down. I do like that. I become 低磅. A lot of time, push that. You try to fight. Push that. Step back. You see what happened? Double 綁手. I talk a lot of double 綁手. You see double 綁手. So it's very sensitive. You can't do anything, or you can do the change the tanza. Right? But lots of time, like push that. So from double 綁手, then you can change like that. Press that to change the other hand. See? So it depends on which hand he pushed down. Push it down. Let go, hold on. Be 低磅 and change the other tanza. Press that. So when they press your hand down, which way do it? See, don't fight with it. 低磅 is very useful. Yeah, become kind of 捆手. So when he pushes the hand down, but you need to sense 捆手. So first, if they push forward, change. Of course, if you push forward, you can use like that. Yeah, but you use the cup down. Or if they push down, push down. So never try to fight with his enemy. You push forward, push down, let go. The other hand. If it's inside, you still like it. It's inside, you push down, keep push down, then you can do it outside. So when he push down, but keep a distance. And then keep pushing down, so you can use it outside. So try to let the energy come in. Okay, 低磅.